Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Jane Tenbrook, an art teacher from Michigan. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hello, it's Jane Tenbrook, elementary art teacher from Tyler Elementary in Van Buren Public Schools, Belleville, Michigan, here to run you through a really cool, fun art lesson. It's all about fall. Now, you might not live in a state where we have beautiful fall colors, but I do here in Michigan, and it's one of my favorite times of year. The trees go from green to red, orange, yellow, brown, all kinds of beautiful colors. We're going to recreate a beautiful fall tree using crayons, any old crayons you have laying around, a little bit of paint. I got some red and some yellow. It's really all you need, I promise. And instead of paintbrushes, we are going to use clothespins and a cotton ball. Now, if you don't have a clothespin, you could use tweezers or you could use your fingers, but I get a little more messy that way, so I like to use the clothespin method. Now, for this project, I am going to use a 9x12 piece of light blue paper for the beautiful fall sky. If you don't have light blue paper, you can use white. Just remember that you might want to color it or paint it with the light blue if you choose. All right, I think we're ready to begin. All right, we are going to begin by using a brown crayon. So we'll put that green one down. And I'm going to be drawing the trunk of the tree. Now, I think of drawing a trunk of a tree nice and big. I know that the roots grow into the soil at the bottom and the branches spread out for the leaves at the top. So my trunk is going to be curved. Start somewhere towards the middle of my paper, and I'm going to make 2 curved lines. They don't have to match, because I've never seen a tree that matches on both sides. Have you? Try looking for one. Now the roots, like I said, go into the ground, but we're not going to see underground. We're just going to see the tops of the roots before we put some grass down. So I'm going to do 2 upside down letter V's to show that there are roots growing down into the soil. Let's go back up to the top, and we're going to make some bigger letter V's, right side up this time, to make the branches going up. There's one letter V, another letter V, and I kind of angle them and put them up high and down low. You can make them wherever you want, however you want. After you've drawn your curved trunk lines and your letter V's, you can color in your trunk. Do you think I really colored that fast? No way. I sped that up so you wouldn't have to sit and watch me color. Now, we're going to add the grass. I'm going to go back and grab a nice green crayon. It's my favorite color. Wonder what your favorite color is. Maybe we're using it on this project. And I am going to color in some nice green grass to cover up the bottom of the tree in a line, kind of an up and down line. And then I'm going to finish in the bottom of the grass. All right, now, since we have our grass down at the bottom, and we have our tree trunk at the top, we're going to need some of those beautiful fall leaves I was talking about in the beginning. And this is where our paint and cotton balls come in. I am going to grab a cotton ball and a clothespin and clip it not too tight. I want to have some of the cotton sticking out here in the top. And I'm going to begin by using red paint. Let's grab that. So I've got a little red paint here. Kind of looks like mustard and ketchup, doesn't it? I'm going to dip my cotton ball into that red paint. Ooh, kind of goopy. And then I'm going to just bounce, 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 bounce it all around. I am not brushing like I would with paint. Just bouncing that red paint all around. Now, you also want to put down some big messy paper so you don't get this all over your table or your workspace that you're using. Or maybe you do, I don't know. Okay, once I have enough red, I'm going to go ahead and grab some yellow. I'm going to use another cotton ball and another awesome clothespin. dip it into that yellow paint. And I am going to fill it all in. What do you think is going to happen? Just keep popping that yellow on there. What do you notice starting to happen? Is there anything happening? Let's get a look at the end of my cotton ball. Why, there's a color there that I didn't mean to put in there. That's right, there's orange. I told you there's red and yellow and orange leaves. Did you know? You probably did. Did you know that red and yellow make orange? And when we bounce our two paint colors together with our cotton ball, we let those colors mix up in such a nice way that we get beautiful fall leaves. Look at that. Wow. When it dries, it's going to be even more beautiful. Now, if you want to, before you get rid of your cotton ball, you could add a little leaves kind of falling to the ground and just have some fun with it. Oh dear, maybe a strong breeze came by and those leaves just fell right down. We're going to put one over there. Beautiful. Wasn't that fun? Who knew you could use a clothespin and some cotton balls to make a beautiful painting? I did. I bet you figured it too. Here's what it looks like all finished up. My fall tree with red and yellow and orange on my brown tree trunk with my green grass. I think it's a masterpiece, don't you? Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun with this art project and you get really creative today. Bye.